Weekend is here. Do you know who actually does not get weekends? Of course, you guessed it right. All the mothers out there. Monday से लेके Friday तक we work. But Saturdays and Sundays, we work even more. The only difference is one job pays us and the other one just fills our hearts. So today, come spend a very real, very relatable weekend with me as a working mom of two boys. Good morning sabhi ko. Welcome back to my channel Simply Rangaraj. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Now, like I always say, for most people, weekends are all about relaxing, sleeping a little extra, binge watching shows, or just going out. But if you are a working mom, just like me, weekend means spending calm day. And I know for a fact, so many moms who are watching this video are already nodding their heads. Because weekdays are so much packed with all our office work, घर का खाना, kids का काम, family का काम, कि जो सारा house cleaning का काम होता है वो automatically gets pushed to Saturdays and Sundays. And if you are new here, I post videos on working mom life, affordable shopping finds as a mom which I buy for my home organization, and everything that every mom can relate to. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm sure you'll enjoy this little family. Now life has been a little different these past couple of months. So basically ना 2 महीने हो गए हैं since our maid has left, and since then we've been managing the house entirely ourselves. Honestly, it has made me realize how much work actually goes into running a home. I mean पहले भी हम करते ही थे, लेकिन जब कोई एक एडिशनल हैंड आ जाता है ना काम करने में, तो आपका काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस जो होता है वो कम हो जाता है. Also, weekdays इतने already hectic रहते हैं with office work and the kids that by the time evening comes, you're just trying to finish the essentials and spend some quality time with the family. So all the deep cleaning, changing the bedsheet का काम, changing the sofa cover का काम, changing curtains, dusting, organizing, सब कुछ wait करता है for the weekend. And I think this is the reality of most of the working moms. You always have a running to-do list in your head. Now while I am also working here, जो झाड़ू पोछा सब कुछ जो लगा रही हूँ उसके साथ साथ I actually want to share one thing with you. One thing we recently decided was to buy a dishwasher because managing everything was honestly becoming a little too hectic for me. So I am just not going to talk much about it in today's video because I want to actually make a separate detailed video about this thing. But yeah, we did get a dishwasher and I will tell you in my next video ki which dishwasher we bought and how is it working, why we chose it, how the installation went, and my honest review after using it, if it is useful or if it is worth buying or not. So if you've been thinking of buying a dishwasher, stay tuned because that's going to be my next video. Now anyways, enough talking about that. Let's finally start आज का काम. Today's mission is to clean the घर अच्छे से, fresh bed sheets डालने हैं, fresh curtains, fresh sofa covers. बेसिकली गिविंग द हाउस अ लिटिल वीकेंड मेक ओवर. ऑनेस्टली मुझे लगता है कि जब फ्रेश बेड शीट्स हम डालते हैं ना, इट एक्चुअली गिव्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. द रूम इंस्टेंटली फील्स ब्राइटर एंड क्लीनर. बट देयर इज अ स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम, एक्चुअली टू प्रॉब्लम्स. My two boys. Cleaning with kids around is like brushing your teeth while eating Oreos. You're cleaning one corner and they're already making a mess in the other. I fold the blanket, someone just jumps on it. I arrange the cushions, someone makes a fort out of it. I organize the toys and 5 minutes के बाद अगर मैं देखती हूँ तो everything is back on the floor. If you're a mom, tell me I'm not alone. Sometimes I think about my life before kids. Weekends used to be so different, so peaceful. Everyone would help. Cleaning would get over so quickly and then we would relax, watch a movie or just talk, go out, restaurants ko jate the. Now weekends are still teamwork but in a very different way. One person entertains the kids, someone else finishes the other task, everyone just adjusts according to what needs to be done. And honestly, without family support, managing everything becomes really, really difficult. So I am really grateful for my family because we're all trying our best together. And to the people who are actually managing everything by themselves without any family support, hats off to you. आप लोगों को एक साष्टांग दंडवत प्रणाम. Now, one thing that motherhood has taught me is that your house does not have to look perfect all the time, especially when there are kids. The house is probably going to look exactly the same again after a couple of hours, or maybe after a couple of minutes. There'll be toys everywhere, cushions on the floor, blankets unfolded, and honestly, that's completely okay because this is what a home with children looks like. Sometimes I do remind myself the mess means they're playing, the noise means they're happy, and one day we'll all probably miss all this chaos. So, yes, we clean, it gets messy again, and then we clean again. That's just mom life. And with that, today's weekend is all about cleaning, changing the bed sheets, and yeah, by the way, so this white cover that you're looking at right now in the video that I'm putting on the mattress is a mattress protector. ये जो है ना ये absorbent mattress है जो कि protect करता है from any स्पिलेज. तो जैसे बच्चे अगर बेड के ऊपर कोई जूस गिरा देते हैं या पानी गिरा देते हैं और दे मे बी पी और समथिंग, तो ये जो मैट्रेस होता है इट स्टेज प्रोटेक्टेड यूजिंग दिस. सो बेसिकली आई गॉट दिस फ्रॉम अमेजॉन एंड इट इज़ अ रियली नाइस प्रोडक्ट एंड इट कीप्स योर मैट्रेस सेफ. And it is definitely worth buying if you have kids around in your house, and I will definitely put the link in the description below so you can check it out. And now let me show you what I got. This cute rocket bedsheet for the crib. I absolutely loved it. And by the way, ये मैंने मीशो से लिया था and they are very budget friendly and the quality honestly exceeded my expectation. काफ़ी ज़्यादा soft quality था. And if you're looking for again affordable home makeover items, I will put everything in the description, the links from where I've got the bedsheet and everything. So do make sure that you check them out. So yeah, that's pretty much how my weekend looks as a working mom of two boys and handling my family as well. Thoda chaotic, thoda tiring, but very very real. And if you are watching this and thinking this is exactly my life too, then I'm really glad you're here with me because this space is not about perfect routines, it's about real life, real moms, and real moments. So, if you enjoy this kind of content, working mom routines, parenting chaos, home life, and relatable everyday stories, I would really love for you to join our little family here. And subscribe zarur kar lena, not just for videos but also to stay connected with this journey where we're sharing together. Also, I don't know if you guys also have a crib at your home for your kids, but मुझे लगता है कि crib has been one of my most यूज़फुल परचेजेस में से एक, बिकॉज मैंने जैसे पहले भी मेरे एक वीडियो में बोला था कि आई यूज़ टू बी रियली स्कैर्ड व्हेन माय फर्स्ट सन वॉज बॉर्न कि अगर हम उसे बीच में डाल के सोएंगे तो वी माइट जस्ट क्रश हिम और जस्ट हिट हिम समहाउ. सो इसीलिए वी गॉट दिस कॉट, क्रिब कॉट फ्रॉम हनी एंड दिस इज़ अ 14 in 1 ऐसे कुछ तो उसका वो है कि ना ये कॉट बन जाता है. दिस इज़ अ क्रिब कॉट बेसिकली एंड देन इट कैन गेट converted into a little cot जिस पे आपका बच्चा थोड़ा लंबा होने के बाद भी he or she can sleep. Then it also becomes a desk and I'm really eager to see कि जब मैं crib यूज़ करना बंद कर देती हूँ and how can we actually turn it into a desk. एंड ये हमें काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में भी पड़ा था. तो या इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो वांटिंग टू बाय अ क्रिब, आई विल ऑल्सो पुट द डिस्क्रिप्शन में जो लिंक है वो फॉर द क्रिब कॉट दैट वी बॉट. एंड नाउ कमिंग टू द कर्टन चेंजिंग का प्रोसेस. तो दीज कर्टन्स आई बॉट फ्रॉम मीशो एंड ऑनेस्टली मैं एक बात बताऊँ, मैंने ना क्या किया था, आई जस्ट put a photo of my room on ChatGPT and I asked it that how can I give my room a little makeover, and it actually suggested me different color combinations, different color combination of the curtains, the bed sheets, and the wallpapers. But obviously I couldn't change the wallpaper as of now, एंड ऑल्सो नोइंग कि किड्स आर अराउंड, मुझे वॉल के ऊपर अभी कुछ करना नहीं है बिकॉज ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे स्टिकर्स, बहुत सारे ड्राइंग्स, सब कुछ बन चुके हैं वॉल के ऊपर. सो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ मेक ओवर प्रॉबेबली व्हेन माई किड्स ग्रो अ लिटिल ओल्डर. बट आई थॉट कि जो कर्टन्स ये सब है वो तो हम कर ही सकते हैं. तो बेडशीट तो मैंने दिखा दिया था आपको क्रिब कॉट के लिए, जो रॉकेट वाला दिखाया था मैंने वो. एंड एक्चुअली ChatGPT सजेस्टेड मी टू यूज़ बेज और pinkish onion color of curtains paired with white color. So I ordered these curtains from Meesho and these were pretty affordable in rate. तो अभी देख रहे हो ये जो रूम है वो कितना pretty दिख रहा है. See, it's looking so neat, clean and very aesthetic I feel. Just the bed sheets I need to change, but it's okay because मुझे अभी के लिए solid color of bed sheets अभी नहीं use करना है. Probably next time I will put put another bed sheet and I will take the video of that too. Now coming to the kitchen, because सबको breakfast चाहिए and सब लोग wait कर रहे थे. So my in-laws basically took my younger son to the temple so that he could get entertained while my elder one was still sleeping. But वो भी उठ गया, and then just the moment they came from the temple, all of them they went up on the terrace to play because obviously उन्हें इन दोनों बच्चों को एंटरटेन रखना था so that I could do all this organization at home. अगर मुझे कुछ घर का काम करना है तो they make sure that they take the kids away because घर में वरना वो लोग कुछ काम करने नहीं देते हैं. Now these are the sofa covers that again I ordered from Meesho. They are pretty good in quality. If you want you can buy them. ये ना actually stitched form में आता है and then you need to cut it as per your maybe the size of your sofas. Now look, my elder one is here and everybody has come down from the terrace and they're waiting for their breakfast. So here's how the sofas look after changing the sofa covers and the pillow covers, and I love the look of it. So now let's get into the kitchen क्योंकि बनाना है अभी breakfast. तो here I'm making coconut chutney and I'm going to make dosas. तो coconut chutney के लिए मैंने एक छोटे से mixer grinder में I'm taking coconut, fresh coconut है. Then I've put chilies, अपने हिसाब से आप टेस्ट एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. देन आई एडेड धनिया, दैट इज़ कोरिएंडर, आई पुट इमली एंड थोड़ा सा दलिया, एंड बाद में सॉल्ट डाल के मैं इसको अच्छे से पीस लूँगी. नाउ दिस डोसा बैटर दैट यू आर लुकिंग हियर इज़ नॉट द नॉर्मल डोसा बैटर. ये बनाया था मैंने जो वीट रवा होता है ना उससे. तो बेसिकली इफ़ यू हैव सीन दैट वीडियो ऑफ माइन वेयर वी वेंट टू द चक्की टू गेट द फ्लोर, द वीट फ्लोर, तो वो ना हमने वहाँ पे जो गेहूँ होता है ना वो दिया था टू गेट इट मिल्ड, एंड देन जो बचता है ना ऊपर का थोड़ा सा बड़ा जो बड़े साइज़ का, तो दैट यू कैन यूज़ टू मेक उपमा. तो वो हम लेके आ गए थे, बट कोई भी वो उपमा खा नहीं रहा था, तो वी थॉट दैट लेट्स मेक सम डोसा फ्रॉम इट. तो इसलिए ना मैंने इसको आई थिंक 1.5 cups ऑफ ब्रोकन व्हीट एंड देन 1 glass और मे बी 3/4 glass ऑफ उड़द दाल, थोड़ा सा मेथी एंड देन थोड़ा सा हैंडफुल ऑफ साबुदाना एंड चना दाल, ये डाल के उसको सोक करने के लिए रख दिया था फॉर अबाउट 5 to 6 hours. एंड देन शाम को उसको पीस के हमने फर्मेंट करने के लिए रख दिया था. तो सुबह जब देखा तो ये अच्छे से फर्मेंट हो गया था, एंड देन आई जस्ट एडेड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड एडजस्टेड लाइक डाइल्यूटेड इट विथ वाटर, जितना भी आपका कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए डोसा का उसके हिसाब से, एंड देन बनाएंगे क्रिस्पी डोसाज. Now honestly I was making this for the first time and I was not sure कि इसका टेस्ट कैसा होगा. I have made a couple of varieties of dosas. मैं बहुत सारा ट्राई करते रहती हूँ, कुछ भी permutation combinations डाल के I keep making different varieties of dosas, but with wheat rava this was the first time, and honestly these dosas turned out to be pretty tasty. इसका टेस्ट भी अच्छा था, little sour I must say, but then it was really good. एंड जो इसका टेक्सचर था वो काफ़ी अच्छा था, पेपरी था एकदम, एंड इट वॉज वेरी क्रिस्पी. सो वी लाइक्ड लाइक ऑल ऑफ अस एक्चुअली लाइक्ड इट अ लॉट, एंड वी थॉट दैट दिस कैन गेट इन टू द मेन्यू जो भी हमारा होता है लिस्ट, उसमें हम इसको इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. यू गाइज ऑल्सो गिव इट अ ट्राई. I will mention the proportions in the description below so you can check it out and you can also try to make these at home. Okay, so this was pretty much my Saturday, my weekend at home, just the morning routine actually. So if you enjoy this kind of content, working mom routines, parenting chaos, etc., and everything which is related to a mother's life, I would really love you to just come and subscribe to my channel. Now next video will be all about our dishwasher, its installation, usage and honest review, so stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for spending your time with me today. It really means a lot to me. So मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय एंड एन्जॉय.